Yeah, yeah. Take a bite at a big apple, not a task out there that's too difficult to tackle. Exercise mind like a young Jedi. Switch time zones, fly in on a red eye. Land at the airport, pick up the cargo. Don't have a car, hop in a taxi cab, Latin driver. Keep the windows big and span, so tonight trap line shine extra bright. Turn up the radio on the way to the stadium. Hymns on the road to pandemonium. Trace the skyline above downtown squares. It buzz in the air like a packed coliseum. Heart beats faster in elevation. Steadily more anticipation. Get ready for the crowd participation. They've been hungry for live inspiration. Big city lights, here I come into the scene to fulfill my dreams. Against all odds, bets off. Shoot for the stars and bring it home like a laser beam. Big city lights, here I come. Climb up the mountain to fulfill our dreams. One finger on the plate, team backing me up, saying bring it home, bring it home, bring it.
Make way, 'cause here I come. 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 Make way, 'cause here I come.
Now when you step into the house that the legends built, it's like walking on the carpet at a world permit. You know the moment is near, she's calling my name. Straight no chaser, flirting with fame. A shut door in the face, not a reason to give up. Can't afford another season to live up to the bold type of a hype machine. Keep my nails clean if you know what I mean. Success grows upon layers of failure. Players of the game understand the grandeur. Enough to endure, ridicule to reach where only a brave soul seek adventure. Behold, feel my chest cavity explode, unleash on the field. A vision and told to secure a spot in the love and memory of the common people, my folk, my family. Big city lights, here I come into the scene to fulfill my dreams. Against all odds, bets off. Shoot for the stars, bring it home like a laser beam. Big city lights, here I come. Rush on the stage to fulfill our dreams.